it works. So if you want to use the array modifier, you first have to set your array with the modifier, which you go to add modifier, then choose array on your object. Then once you've chosen your object, you can then set the spacing. This spacing here can be increased or decreased, but we'll leave it at 12. Push enter, and like if you wanted your x-axis to be off, you would change it this way. As you can see here, it goes different ways. Let's get a top view. Pull it back in. Alright, now we're going to set it back at 0. Okay, press enter, go back in, see our spacing is still at 12. Alright, so now let's make the array modifier work. So we're going to increase the count, and this is how you use the array modifier. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, leave a like, and see you next time.